Now, some of you are operating off Windows 7, some off the Windows 8. The bottom line is you can go into your settings in your control panel and make some adjustments. So if you want the screen to not be as glary, if your eyes are starting to strain, you can make some adjustments there. You can control the power options and perhaps set it to a power saver. There's a personalization area. If you have an administrator control, sometimes they block out what you can change by yourself, and you would need to actually go to your IT guru at your workplace and have them make any adjustments. If you feel that there's a lot of heat coming out of your laptop, or there's a lot of noise there from the fan, definitely you want to go and seek some assistance there.